It's the NFL playoffs and D-Town is hosting the big game. But before I start this video, I have to know, is it DEE-troit or Detroit? Because somebody said something about my pronunciation. Leave your version in the comments below. And welcome to Sugar Pearls, where you can see the best of the U.S. as we hop from city to city for food, entertainment, and good vibes. Remember when we took you to Detroit for Afro Nation? Well, they are about to host their first playoff in 32 years. Now, you may be wondering why this matters to Eagles fans. Quick answer, it doesn't, except if you're looking for the perfect spot to roost. Get it? Roost. The historic book tower in the D is the way to go. Now, over the summer, we nestled in for Afro Nation at the luxury Roost apartment hotels downtown for the weekend, just a short walk from Ford Field. The Roost offers a luxury extended stay at a great price, but book early for best rates. And be sure to check out our peoples at House of Zen, a Black woman-owned dispensary with a wide selection of medicinal and recreational good vibes. Good vibes. Oh, we just couldn't get enough of this beautiful historic city, crammed with art, architecture, smart screens on the streets, theaters, and great food. Detroit is back, sugar, just in time for their first playoff in 32 years. Congrats, D-Town. We see you. Sugar Pearls, a very proud partner of the Roost, House of Zen, and the city of Detroit.